Hello everybody, welcome to Anurag's kitchen. Today we will make grilled chicken. Here are the ingredients. Starting with chicken. Here is 2 full leg of chicken with skin, mustard oil, tandoori chicken masala from Everest, hung curd, ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder, black pepper and a slice of lemon. Hung curd, one spoon, 1.5 spoon ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder, and black pepper powder. Some tandoori masala from Everest. Salt. Mustard oil. And some food color. Let's mix it. Now let's season the chicken. Lemon, salt, chili powder, some black pepper powder, let's season it. And leave it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Now let's marinate it. Let's mix the marinade the one we have made. Now let's paste the marinade on the chicken evenly. Now we have marinated the chicken. Let's leave it for 4 to 5 hours. Best is if you leave it overnight. Now the chicken is well marinated overnight. Now we will place the chicken on the high rack of the microwave oven. Now we will grill it in a combi mode, which is microwave plus convection. Now we will set the watt to 360 watt microwave and temperature to 180 degree. Set the time to 20 minutes. Place the chicken there. Start it. After 10 to 11 minutes, take it out. Apply some oil on the chicken and then we will grill it again. When 3 minutes is left, we have to flip the side of the chicken, apply some oil and grill for the rest of the time. Focus रखो. And start it again. Now it's done. As you see, it's perfectly cooked and the chicken is juicy too. Let's serve it. Here is the grilled chicken tangdi. Serve it with sliced onion rings, lemon.